Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make brown sugar cookies using an easy method. First, cream together 1 stick of softened butter with 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar until smooth. Then, beat in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix these wet ingredients thoroughly until they are light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 minutes. Now, let's prepare the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing on low speed. Stop as soon as everything is just combined to ensure tender cookies. Overmixing can make them tough. Chilling the dough is a crucial step for perfect cookies. Cover your dough and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This helps prevent spreading. Once chilled, scoop rounded tablespoons of dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, spacing them about 2 inches apart. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Once baked, let your delicious brown sugar cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This allows them to set up properly before you move them. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. They're soft, chewy, and absolutely delightful. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.